Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on participate in swipe search on your Tinder app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here or settings window, and you just go down here to look to so find this window, and you go down here, we will click here on minutes web search, we will click here on settings, then it's going to take us here, and you come here to participate in swipe search. We just click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's main participate in swipe search, it's not on now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.